So we're heading left now into Loch's Well. Now I should have filmed a sign for Loch's Well about 1 kilometre behind us right now. It was the biggest sign that I've seen for a tourist attraction in quite a while. So let's go check it out. I've never heard of it before. Don't even know what it is. I'm assuming it's a well of some sort, but yeah, we shall see when we get there. Check this out. Even if there's not a well down here, it is well worth coming down anyway, because this is incredible. Oh, there's a car down here. Unbelievable that fact too, because we've seen hardly any cars on the road since we left Coffin Bay. Let's go check this place out. This is unbelievable. Look at the scenes right here. I don't think I've seen a longer staircase anywhere in the world. Look at this old school toilet here. It's been here for years. Been absolutely ravaged by the weather. I'm curious. This is probably a bit of a sidestep and maybe something you don't want to see, but let's have a look in here. Oh, it's a hole in the floor. Wow. Something you don't see every day. There's no seat to sit on. That's a squat toilet, that one. But let's get back on track here. Look at this place. Unbelievable. Sam's already gone off. He's gone straight down these stairs, all the way down to the beach. Unreal. This is so unreal. South Australia is providing the absolute goods. My God, how good is this place? It is so good, it is fast becoming my favourite state. Check this out. It's one of those places that just makes you feel so small because everything is just so giant. Those waves out there are huge. Now there was a sign back up there that said no surfing, no swimming due to the rips, but I cannot see that sign stopping surfers heading out here when the surf is good. Surely they surf here. They would just have to save a hell of a lot of energy to come back up those stairs. But look how many there are. This is incredible. How weathered everything is here. The sheer brutality of the weather that would be coming and ripping through up this gully here, especially up there, just buffeting into this deck, fences, tables and chairs and toilet block up there. This is incredible. When is it going to stop being incredible? I hope it never does, but I know that time will come. But for now, we're just purely enjoying what we're seeing here. Incredible. Check out the staircase from up here. Unreal. Just thinking about it though, I haven't seen a well. Not sure what the well means, but hey, maybe we'll find out one day.